guys. I miss you guys so much, okay? It's crazy, I promise. So amongst COVID-19, obviously we are no longer in school and I don't get to see any of your smiling faces anymore for the rest of the year. But you guys are always my students. I love you so much and I hope you and your families are staying safe, healthy, clean, enjoying your quarantine. I hope you guys are staying home, playing a lot of games. On your Edmodo accounts, in the classroom, I asked you guys to do a science experiment with soap and pepper, okay? So today, I thought it would be fun, since I haven't gotten to see you, you haven't gotten to see me, I thought it would be fun if I did the experiment with you guys. So today, I want to talk about the importance of not spreading germs. I know you hear it all the time, your parents say it, I say it, we do it after we go to the bathroom, before we touch food. Basically, the importance is your hands collect so much dirt, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to go get a bowl, some black pepper, a glass of water, and some dish soap, okay? I'll give you a minute. All right, if you guys are ready, you also need a towel. Go grab a towel. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this nice big glass of water that we went and got, and we're gonna dump it straight into our bowl, okay? Try not to make a mess. I'm making some pretty big splashes, okay? So we dumped our water in. Step one, complete, all right? Wipe up any water that you see around your bowl because you made a mess like I did. Okay, then we're gonna take our pepper. And we're gonna dump this pepper straight into the water. We want it to be all over the place, so use a lot. Okay, so we're just gonna dump it in here like so. All right, let me get a lot in here. These little pepper flakes, they're gonna represent our germs, all right? Okay, so we see we've got a lot of pepper in here, okay? And close this, put it off to the side. You're gonna take your finger, just your finger, and you're gonna dip it straight into the water, all right? So we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, dip. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now that our finger's in the dirty pepper water, we're going to pull our finger out. What does your finger look like? Think about it. Talk about it with your parents real quick. Okay, so our fingers should be covered in pepper, right? There's a lot of pepper flakes on there, all right? We noticed that the pepper didn't move either when we put our fingers in. So what do we think is going to happen when we put soap on our fingers? You can wipe the pepper off your hand. All right, you got your guesses with the soap? All right, we're gonna take the soap. My eye itches. Take our soap and we're gonna put it on our finger. We're just gonna use a little bit and we're gonna lather the tips of our fingers, okay? Try not to get the soap in your pepper. Okay, we're just gonna lather our fingers up with soap, all right? And now, since we have all the soap on our hand, okay, we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, dip into the pepper. And I want you guys to see what happens to the pepper, all right? I'm gonna bring the phone in a little closer so you can see. So we'll go 3, 2, 1, dip. Oh, snap. You see how all the pepper had moved away on the surface? Okay, now when we pull our finger out, there's nothing on it, right? Okay, so with this experiment, what do we think the purpose is? Okay, so our pepper represented our germs, right? So obviously, soap, there's bubbles. The soap helped us push away any germs. So soap helps repel germs from sticking to our hands. So the more we wash our hands, the less transfer of germs. So if I were to touch this table and then wash my hands, and then I went and touched a doorknob, the germs that I picked up on the table would not touch and transfer the doorknob to the doorknob if I wash my hands. So that's the whole purpose. If you want to try a different experiment, I'm not going to do this one, but you do need to use your parents for that one. If you would like to try a different form of germ transfer experiment, have your parents, if they want to, pick up washable paint and you can paint one hand, okay? And you'll start with painted hands, and then you touch things around the kitchen. And then that helps you see that, oh snap, all the paint that was on your hands is everywhere around you in the kitchen because you never washed your hands after you got the paint. That paint symbolizes our germs and how germs transfer from one to another, okay? So germs, they can be stopped from spreading with soap, correct hand washing, and you can stop getting sick, too sick. It's gonna help us fight COVID-19 if you keep washing your hands, I promise. And then I'll see you guys again in the fall, okay? So I love you guys. I hope you are having such a wonderful quarantine, as good as it gets, maybe spending some time outside, okay?